So let's make this beautiful yet simple to achieve hairstyle that you can rock as a bridal hairstyle. I'll take you through the process in a short while. Hello, beautiful people. So let's get into the styling. When I wanted to make the style, I actually did not know how it will come out to be, but at the end of the day, I love the styling. And as you can see, I am sure you love it as well. So let me quickly take you through the process. You want to make sure your hair is pre-stretched, if not fully stretched. You can see here that my hair was not fully stretched, but it was not rough. So you want to stretch it out a bit, make it smooth a bit before you start this styling. And what you need for the styling is just your bobby pin, the smaller size, and any lycra or stretching material that you will use as your hair band. Another tip is when you're tying your bun, make sure it is not tight. Here, I made sure mine was not tight to avoid any inconvenience and then to avoid your hair breaking out after the styling. So just pin down the band, whichever band you use, elastic band, lycra band, pin them down with a bobby pin so that they would not move around when you are rolling, tucking in, and pinning down. So yeah, I just finger detangled my hair and I roll. This style is simple to make because all you need to do is just roll, tuck it whichever way you want, and pin it down. So this first one that I did it well. I was still skeptical about it. So when I did the second one, you have to put them underneath each other. After the first one, you put the second one underneath the first one, and the third one underneath the second one, on and on like that. So after doing the second one here, I did not like how the first one looked. It wasn't really giving me that look I want around that edges, so I had to redo it. And as you can see, it came out more beautiful than it was before. So here, it might be confusing. This rolling method can be confusing, but all you need to do is just find what works best for you, how you want the design to come out, and you are good to go. Like I said, you can see everyone is going underneath the previous one, and that is how to just hide the tip of the hair. Roll the tip alone. Do not roll from the base of the hair section, because when you roll for the base, you will not get that fluffy look it gives from the base. Just the tip. You need to roll just the tip halfway, from the halfway upwards to the tip, or slightly more than halfway to the tip of the hair section. Roll it to the direction you want and tuck it, then pin it down. And that is all about the hairstyle. So let me leave you to it, to watch, to learn, and try it out yourself, and get back to me in the comment section how yours turned out to be. I'll also be there if you have any question to answer your questions. Thank you once again. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe, as you're supporting this channel to grow and you're helping more people to discover this educating and interesting content. Do not also forget to turn on your notification so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. And to my returning viewers, before I leave, I want to say thank you. See you on my next video. Bye and God bless.